Hey, what's up, sports fans? Today we've got a solid one, and I'm talking solid one for you today. We're going to be doing a roasted corn dip for the big game. Got a lot of folks coming over. You don't know what to cook them? Well, watch this video. It'll teach you a good something or another. We're going to be using the Kingsford Pellets and recteq grills. I don't know. Maybe they'll be making magic. Stay tuned.
The most exciting day in sports!
It's game time.
With the best recipes.
The best fuel.
And the best grill.
It's time for the big game
At the
recteq.
Roasted corn dip. I love corn. Corn is my favorite vegetable. It's the food so nice you get to see twice. But we've got the RT700 preheated to 400. Preheated. That's the word, right? It's not 300. It's preheated. We've got the RT700 preheated to 450 degrees. We're going to take this delicious corn and we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. Get it nice and roasted on the outside. Okay. I've also got some diced onions here. We're going to put these in a pan. Easy. We're going to put them in with diced jalapeno. Easy. And then we got some delicious garlic. Easy. We're going to mix it all up. We're going to season it with some Casanovas. And we're going to take it out there with the corn as well. Oh, and don't forget, man, this corn doesn't come seasoned from nature. So you're going to have to add your own seasoning to it as well. Be right back. I need some Earl. Fresh squeezed from the oil tree itself. And we're going to just spread it on these corns. We're going to spread all of that oil on there. All right. So we've got some Casanovas competition rub. That's what we're going to season up these beautiful ears of corn with. Oh, look at that move. And we're going to season our veggies up with too, okay? Let's go out to the grill and cook this stuff. Got some stuff in my hand. All right, we just pulled everything off of the RT700. Got our delicious veggies heated up and cooked in our little pan here. We're gonna add these to the bowl. Easy peasy. It's gonna add a great depth of flavor, to this already delicious dish. Now what we gotta do is we gotta take our corn and we're gonna cut all of our kernels off and place them in our bowl with our veggies. So what you're going to do is we're going to cut all of these delicious kernels right off of here, right there. So we're going to add kernels to our bowl and our veggies. This recipe couldn't be easier. So now we're going to add some mayonnaise. We're going to add some sour cream. Delicious. And then we've got some Jack cheese as well. We're going to use the greatest tools in the history of tools, our hands, to mix this all up. I like to add a little bit more Casanova's rub just to top it off. And you're just going to mix everything up. Oh yes, it smells so corny. Wish I had a corny joke to tell you guys. Mixed well, and I'm going to put it in this bowl that Rachel brought. This is going to be the greatest corn dip you've ever corn dipped in your life, everyone. There's only one thing to do, and that's take it out of the grill and cook it so we can marry and meld and get to know one another. It's going to be so good. It smells good already. I'll see you at the recteq. right, we just rolled this off, the RT700. You can serve this with some delicious tortilla chips, some toast points. Heck, you can even go as crazy as serving it, with some delicious Doritos or crazily flavored tortilla chips. But this is an amazing dip for any occasion, not just the big game. Guys, remember, follow Kingsford and recteq on all social media, especially YouTube. Set your notifications, that way you know when all of us go live, because we got a lot of crazy stuff coming up in the future. Thank you guys so much. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, from the recteq Worldwide headquarters. From everybody here, we'll see you at the big game.